the right player that they will need. For Orlando Pirates, the coach left, Jose Rivero. He left to Al Ahly, and it means that they are still talking. Names have already started to come up. Florent Ibenge, he's seen it all in African football. He won the Confederation Cup with RS Berkane. Now he's the current coach of Al Hilal. His contract is set to end this month on 30th June, and my understanding is that there are some agents trying to offer him to Orlando Pirates to come in and to do a good job for them. And so it means that South Africans, the money is there.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi ke babukeli bayibonileke leyo video. Ivideo yakhe ke lapha uMickey Junior oyijournalist yakhona ke la Africa odila kakhulu ngebhola ke la khona nje la eAfrica. uMickey Junior ke la uveza ke indaba ukuthi ke ukhojwa lapha eDRC Congo uFlorent Ibenge okhojwa ke iqembu lapha eSudan iAl Hilal bamofferisheke lapha kwiOrlando Pirates njengoba sazi ukuthi ke iBarkania alinaye kumqeqeshi njengamanje. uFlorent Ibenge usekhojwe kamaqembu amaningi akhona la eAfrica and une experience impela makuziwa lapha kwiCAF. Uke wadlala impela kaningi kwiCAF Confederation even akuyona ke CAF Champions League ekhojwa ke nje amaqembu amaningi amakhulu ahlukahlukene akhona ke la eAfrica. Ungomunye ke wabaqeqeshi okungenzeka ke impela ethatheke intambo lapha kwiOrlando Pirates njengoba kuyizwele uMickey Junior eveza ukuthi ke agent yakhe imofarishe kulona ke iBarkania. So injalo ke mbukeli okwamanje kusavele yona indaba ukuthi ke bamoffarishile lapha kwiBarkania yena ke uFlorent Ibenge. Ngiyobuya ke mbukeli makhamba ke isikhathi makukhona ukuvelayo ngeindaba zakhe ke uFlorent Ibenge nalo ke lapha iBarkania. Ungakhomenta ke mbukeli ungitshela ukuthi ke wena ucabangani ngabe ke na kuIbenge uright ukuthi ke ngathatha lona ke iBarkania elikhoje kwisizini ezayo. Yizo ke lezi ke mbukeli indaba ade kuphathele zona. Cela kuthunga khohlwa ukuthi ke ulike and ke usubscribe ake ngithi ke nje danke ngiyazibongela.